So that will be a little bit difficult, but because see, till now, whatever we have seen, those were, without these images. From now, it will all be about images only, right? So today will be, yeah, today we'll be learning about pattern perception. So I'll put the question. I'll give you time. You have to solve it, right? So because these are easy questions, I expect you to solve all of them. Okay. So and keep it as interactive as possible. Okay. You have to solve all the questions and you have to give me the answers. Okay. All right. Let's start. So what is pattern perception? So basically, it will be something like this. So you'll be given these sort of things and you'll be asked the missing image, right? So here you should not change the direction, right? So this will be placed exactly in this shape. Okay, now you have to find how it is or which diagram it is. Yeah, so do it and let me. Okay, I got the answer very quick. Okay, that's great, guys. I think we'll complete this session very quickly. Okay, Manas says it is K. Okay, let's wait for other people's answers. Manas, I don't think it's C. I'm not sure, but I don't think it's C. Right, please check. Okay, Vivan says B. Okay, Ani says B. Okay, let's see. Please check Wasiki and Manas, please check, guys. Shreya is saying B. Okay. 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 Yeah, Manas. Okay, Manas has corrected B. Soumya B. Sri was B. Okay. Let's look at guys. Okay. See, first of all, why I directly said that it will not be C. See, in C, there is this diagonal line, and this diagonal line is not there in any of them, right? So directly it is ruled out. Again, D is also ruled out. Why is D ruled out? See, again, this half diagonal line, right? I'm not able to see it in anywhere, right? So this is not there, right? So this sort of line is there. Okay. So D is also ruled out. What about B? What about A? A also ruled out because this sort of a line is not there, right? So it is this line, right? There is no this separate line is not there. So it is of course B, right? So one way is go through the options. Other ways, you can directly, so you can join this to here, and this is joining from where? Like this is joining from here to the midpoint. So again, this is also joining to the midpoint, right? So these two lines you will get, and one line you are going it from here, right? So that is one way of looking at it. Okay. Clear, all of you? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
No. Okay, fine. Great, guys. Okay, this question. Solve it. Okay, you guys are too quick. Okay, I got 6, 7 answers. Okay, great. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, all of you are pointing at us. Yeah. Right, so A has to be the answer, right? Because this is still here. So B is straight away ruled out. C is also ruled out because there is no semicircle here, right? Uh, and D is also ruled out. So it's not figure something like this, right? So D is also ruled out. Yeah, A is the right answer. Correct, guys. All of you are able to do this, right? No doubt. Does anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Fine, no issues. Let's move to the next question. Okay, what about this one? Okay, Shreya says A. Okay, Soumya says C. Manas says C. C. Okay, I think that was previous one. Okay. Okay, Vivan says this. Come on, guys. I want to see all the answers. Only 5 people has given answers. Come on, do it and give me the answer. C. Okay, let's check. Okay. See, first of all, B is straight away ruled out, right? Because B at the end it has this sort of shape, right? So that is we should have simple shape, right? So there should not be in between line. So B is ruled out straight away, right? Then D is ruled out because we don't want this line. This line is not there. Then there is this between A and C. Yeah. But in A, what is happening? These are coming from this side. This side should come from an edge, right? Because all the edge points are getting contact. So this should come from this side. So it should be C and not A. Okay, correct. Well done, guys. Very good. Okay, great. Okay, what about this one? Okay. Oh, all right, great. A. Soumya says B. Srivas says B. Okay, there is a confusion. Come on, guys. I'm giving 2 more minutes. Carefully observe it again and tell me the final answer. Okay, who has changed their answers? Okay, okay, sorry. Okay, Shreya is still saying B. Okay, let's see. Okay, A. Okay, okay. Yeah, guys. So first of all, this will be one line, right? So this is the line. So because this is the line, C and D are straight away ruled out, right? Now between A and B, how do I choose C? I have, okay, so from here, if I see, so this here is an horizontal line here, right? Now here I have a this line. See, one is horizontal line and then is vertical line. Then we have a horizontal line. So this next line should be which one? It should be a vertical line. How many of you accept with this argument?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. But because both of them can't be, three of them can't be horizontal and one cannot be vertical, right? So this has to be a vertical line. So option A is the right answer, not B. Option A is the right answer. Okay. Don't be in a hurry, guys. Take time and do, because you'll have ample amount of time for these questions. Okay. So don't be in a hurry. Okay. All right. Yeah. What about this question? All right. Okay. C, 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 C. Okay. Everyone is saying C. So I think this should be easy only. Okay. So one is this circle should be completed, right? So the circle should be completed, and okay. So this is opposite, right? So it should have this sort of. So yes, option C is correct. Anyone has any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No. All right. Okay. Okay. What about this one? Guys, please, all of you do them. All of you participate in the discussion. Okay, then only you'll get. Okay, okay. I got all the answers. Okay, okay, all answers. Okay, everyone is saying B, 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 B. Okay, B is the answer. Okay, right. So A is right away ruled out because it is having edges, corner and edges. D is also ruled out. C is ruled out because it is touching at the vertexes. So that is also ruled out. Okay, so only B is the right answer. Okay. Okay, what about this one? Take time and then do it, guys. Take time. Come on, take it, do it carefully. Okay, everyone is saying C. Okay, let's see. All of you do it. Remaining people also do it. Okay, Ani also saying C. Okay, come on, guys. Everyone missed it. If anyone missed it, please answer. See here, the only thing that we have to observe is these oval shaped these things, right? So here they are pointing towards front. Here they are pointing towards left. Here they are pointing towards downwards. So in the next image, they have to point towards right. Right. So therefore, option C is the right answer. Okay. All right. Okay. What about this? Pay careful attention and do it. Okay. So A. Okay. So how do we check first? Okay. All right. Then we also say, okay, fine. See, how do we check this? First of all, D is ruled out because D does not have this line. In everything, there is a line going from here to there, right? So D is ruled out. C is ruled out because it has an extra line, right? What about B? See, these are sharp lines. In B, these are sharp lines, but these are not sharp lines, right? In between, this is a bent line. You know, it's sort of a bent line, right? So bent curve. Okay. So option A is the right answer. Correct. Yes, great. What about this one? Careful attention. Pay careful attention and do it. Come on, I need to see 10 answers. All of you give your answers. Okay. So everyone is saying C. Okay. Right. So here you will have that small circle. So D is ruled out because this is a straight line. So D is ruled out. B is there is no circle. This is on the opposite side. So it's very easy. Option C is the right answer. Okay. What about this one? This is a little bit confusing. I mean, you might not think so. Yeah. Just pay some careful attention and do it. Okay. Okay. Everyone says CTA. Okay. All right. Okay. So again, C is directly ruled out because the line is on the other side. Uh, this is also ruled out, that is B is ruled out, like these are not, the lines are not like this, right? So they are intersecting. So between A and D, the choice is A, because D has a very, it is going in like this. I have to just connect this and this, right? That's a very small gap. Okay. All right, that's cool. Okay, what about this one? Okay, B and C. Okay, I think, okay, there is a division. Everyone has given B. Vasiki, you have given C. Please check once. Vasiki, see, there is no this line, right? This line is not there, right? So there is only this line, right? So you connect these two, and in between there is a line. So this line is there, right? So this line is not there, right? So option B is your right answer. Yeah. All of you got the same answer? Option B, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about this one? Okay, B, C, C. Okay, B, C, C. Okay, guys, please check your answers. Don't be in a hurry. Take time and do them. C. Everyone is saying C. Okay. So here it is white. So this side it is gray, right? So then it is white. So this side is so this side has to be a white side, right? So okay, option D is ruled out. And this side has to be a gray side. Okay. Now what is happening to dot in the square? Right. So dot was here, then it went to this extreme, right? So it moved up the here, right? Then it moved here, right? So then it should go here, right? That is at option C, right? All of you got option C? Correct. Option C is your right answer. Okay, that's it, guys. I think we completed it very soon. In 20 to 25 minutes, we completed. So this is about your pattern perception, guys. So it's a simple topic and you can easily solve the question. So guys, I have sent some worksheets in the group, right? Regarding pattern perception, there is one worksheet that I have sent. All of you, can you access it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. All of you, can you see it? Sir, when will we do blood relations? Blood relations we will do Manas, but that will be done in miscellaneous concepts because in BITSAT syllabus, blood relations are not specifically mentioned. Okay. Have you written any mock tests and have you encountered blood relations? Yes. Okay. Yeah, that will be done in miscellaneous concepts because first our first aim is to complete the syllabus that is mentioned in the BITSAT. You might be having this brochure, right? So in that whatever is mentioned, so that is our goal. So in fact, I'll show you the syllabus. So analogy, classification, series completion, logical deduction, and chart logic, right? So these are all we completed, right? So this was pattern perception that we completed today. So then we have figure formation, paper cutting, figure matrix, and rule detection, right? So rule detection, we will do it here, right? Most likely we'll do here. And after all this, so we have 10 topics mentioned in the syllabus. After these 10 topics, we'll do one class, which is covering miscellaneous concepts. In that concepts, we will do blood relations. But again, coming to the syllabus, it is not mentioned explicitly in the syllabus. But again, if we see, right, so but even here you are saying, right, given sets of figures, right, mostly here also that shouldn't be there. But again, sometimes it happens, right? They still end up giving the questions. So we will do blood relations at the end, right, in the miscellaneous chapter. Is it clear, Manas? Yeah, okay. Shreya, where are the worksheets? Okay. Shreya, you are not in the group. BitSat, MCS, Crash Course, PCM and English LR.
Sir, I'm in English LR, not in PCM group.
Oh, okay. Just give me a moment. Meanwhile, guys, whoever have received that, you keep solving. Because same, sir. Okay, Smaran is also not. Okay, okay. Just give me a minute, guys. Just give me a minute. Guys, just give me a minute, guys. I'm trying because I don't know why this is not allowing me to send through the computer. Just give me a minute. How can I share it? Guys, meanwhile, whoever have received it, they can start working on it, okay? I'm some stuff. Okay. Guys, can you, like, whoever has not received, can you send me your mail IDs like in the chat box? Please put your mail IDs so that I'll send it right away. No need, guys. I'm being added to that group. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll be added to that group. I'll be able to send it. So when is your when are you appearing for the exam? The BitSat exam? What's the date? Yeah, guys. When are you appearing for the BitSat exam? Can just tell me, or you can put it in the chat box. Your wish. Now check your group, guys. You should have received logical deduction worksheet. You should have received,
Yes,
and
sir.
you should have received pattern perception. Did you receive them, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So May
Yes,
20,
sir.
okay, fine. Okay, May 26, 20. Okay. Yeah, okay. So first complete the pattern perception worksheet, okay? And if you have any doubts, then we will discuss. The logical deduction, you can do it as homework, okay? Just once complete the pattern perception and let me know. We will discuss if you have any doubts.
Yes.
Completed, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So let's quickly discuss and then we can end. So what's the answer for first one? Yeah, guys, what's the answer for first one? Again, all of you should give me the answers. Yeah. Okay, B and C. Guys, please check. Please check. What's the answer for first one? See, all three lines are converging. All right. So these are converging to this end. They are converging to this end. These are converging to this end. Okay. So this they should converge to this end. And what in which of the options they are converting to this end? In the only in the option B, right? So straight away, that's your answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right? So B is the answer. Correct. Okay, what about question 2? Question 2, guys. Question 2.
D.
D, right? So it's very simple, right? Question 2 is D, right? It's simple. It's nothing. Okay. What about question 3? Question 3. I think question 3 is also D,
D.
right? Yeah. Question 3 is also D, right? Because this is pointed, this should be pointed towards the center. So this is pointed towards the center, but in all the others, it is not pointed towards the center, right? So for question 3 also, option D is the answer. Okay. All right. What about question 4?
C.
C.
What is C? Okay. Okay, yeah, it is okay. Okay, right. Because this is not at the end, and B and D are ruled out. In C, we don't have this line, right? So it's option C. Okay. So yeah, then we see we want C. Correct. Correct, guys. Correct. C. Option C is the answer. Okay. What about question 5?
D.
D. Okay. So I'll join this line. Okay, but here this line is there. So that line will be there. That line is not there in AB, right? So C is also here it is missing in between. So option D, correct. So question 5, answer is D. Guys, everyone are following, right? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Okay, cool. Okay, what about question C? Question 6th.
C.
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 C is the answer. Okay, right. So directly A and B are ruled out because they are not touching, and this has this extra, this part, right? This should not touch here. Both of them should intersect at this line, right? On the x-axis, positive x-axis line, right? So yes, 6 is C. Correct. Okay. What about the 7th one?
A.
Which one?
A.
A. Okay. Remaining people, you also give me your answers. Come on, guys, do them. Do them, do them. You'll only get them if you do them. Otherwise, you'll not get. In exam, you'll not get. You'll be tensed. Okay. So you have to do at least 20 questions you have to do. Then only you'll get. Okay.
A.
I got 3. Okay. A. Smaran says A. Vivan says A. Tanvi says C. Okay. There is a confusion. Let's check. So first of all, there has to be the square. Okay. Okay, there is this square, there is this square, there is this square, but D is ruled out because the square is little bit larger. Okay, then there has to be this line. Okay, there is this line, there is this line, and there is this line, but we can rule out C, right? Don't you think so? Because it is not okay. No, we cannot rule out C, guys. Okay, now, okay. How do we conclude that which is correct in A and C, right? B and D are ruled out, right? In A and C, how do we conclude? Okay, this is quite confusing. So because if I look at top and bottom, so they are midpoints, they seem to be midpoint. But here, when it comes down, this doesn't seem to be a midpoint. Okay, so what can we do? But I suppose it should be A because in these two it is midpoint. What do you guys think? Do you think in the top this is the midpoint? Do you think that? I mean, what I'm trying to say is this point and this point. Do you think these are the midpoints of this line?
No, sir.
No?
Sir,
Okay.
in C it touches the corner, the line.
Oh, sorry. Why did we? Okay. Sorry, yes, sorry. C touches the corner, so C is not. A is correct, right? Because A touches in between, right? It has to touch in between, right? C is touching at the corner. Sorry, my bad. Directly A is your answer. Right? All of you understood why A is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Correct. C touches the corner. Good, Swaran. Okay. All right. What about question 8?
A.
Option A.
Option A. Okay. A. Okay. So this is simple, right? So D and E are straight away ruled out, and this is also ruled out because it is not touching. In all the things, this is touching. Okay. So A is the answer. What about ninth one?
A.
A.
A. Option A.
Yes, ninth also it is A because these two lines are this side. So this time these two lines should be this side, right? And it should pass, right? So A is the correct answer. Okay, Vivan says A, right? All right. What about the 10th one?
B.
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 B. Okay. A is not correct because in A there are these lines are not present. Okay. And in B there is this extra line present. In D these are lines. So B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Correct. Option B is the right answer. All right. I think we are pretty good with this chapter, guys. So fine, guys. I think that is pretty much it for today. But I have sent you the logical deduction worksheet that we discussed in the last class. That is important topic, guys, and that is little bit difficult. So do that worksheet. We will discuss that worksheet in the next class.
Yes.
All right. Yeah.
Yes.
And yes, whatever the topic. So if you are doing mock tests and if you have any, if you have any doubts or if you feel that, we have to cover these sort of topics, you bring them. Just like Manas was talking about blood relations. But again, blood relations was not mentioned in the syllabus, right? So, but we will still cover those sort of topics in our miscellaneous topics. So don't worry about that. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. Then let's meet in our next class. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, guys.